here's some cute budgie videos of me. Hey, living life. The reason I did this video because the first video I made with my budgies, it wasn't that long. It was only 2 minutes long. When I got a pimple or something. Whatever. Let's ignore that. So the reason I'm making this video because the first time I didn't make a lot of videos with these budgies. So yeah, and they just took a shower right now. You can see that's why they look so messy right now. Just took a shower. So yeah, basically enjoy my videos. Peace, enjoy. This is the weirdest thing. Them together, they could literally fly out, roam around, but they'd rather just sit there. Just like sit there, do nothing. Just stay in the cage. Look, I can't grab them. They'll go in, but they won't go out. And I put some banana peels, some jobs, some seeds for them to eat. If they maybe come out, but they're clipped, so they can't really fly around. But they could walk around all this space, but they just choose to stay in there the whole day. Because they love their cage. You guys are so cute. Bye, cute pair. Oh, they kissing. I got them kissing. Oh my Allah, my birds are eating. See? Let me see if I can get close without scaring them. I'm scared. Come on, keep eating. Oh, he's eating. That's crazy. Alright, bye, Alex. Look, Alexei's eating too back there. This is the first time I've seen Alex eat in front of me. Crazy. Alex, you're so cute. I love you. Same with you, Alexa. Cute. Bye. So this is my first time trying this. I hope it works. Let's see. Don't fly off, okay? It's okay. Oh, he was about to stand. No, Alexa! Alex, you too? Come on, please. Please. Sit on my finger. Please. Fine. Fine. Please, one more time. Wait. Ah, so close. Alright then. I'm successful. I'm so bad. Alexa, you made me upset. Alright, bye, cute pairs. Hold on, I'm gonna try to feed Alex. They're both about to come out. No, I'm about to feed you. Don't. Sometimes it just makes me so sad. Look, I have a treat. Don't be scared. Look, you see? I'm sorry. I hit you by accident. No. Here. I'm sorry, here. Let me have it. Sorry about that, okay? Here. Come. You don't want? Here you go. A good girl. She was hungry. Alex, come and join her. Come join us. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna put it up here. Come up here. So they can see you better. Come up here. You know what? Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Put it down here for you then. Good girl. Alexa she's a little friendly. Now she doesn't go off that much of craziness when I change her cage, like her paper towels, her water. I could feed her still, but 2 times she has to sit on my finger. But right there you can see. But, I'm trying to make her sit on my finger now. Especially now I'm trying to feed her again. Please don't fall off. Please don't fall off. Please don't fall off. You could have it. You could have it. But I'm gonna come back if she just sits on my finger. Finally made her sit on my finger. I put a towel over her so she just got off. She didn't bite me. You wanna get on again? Never mind. Alright, bye. Oh, you wanna come out? You wanna come out? Oh, I'm sorry. You want in? Alex, do you wanna sit on my finger? Never mind. Alright, bye. Come on if you want, okay? We have all the space. But your choice. Alright, bye. My sweetie pies. Guys, I was heading home and I saw a mouse hide in here. I saw a rat hide in here. So like, yeah, if he comes out, I'm gonna chase him down, okay? Hope you enjoy it. Oh, he's zooming out. Wait. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. I got him. Oh, damn it. I saw the mouse. I know the lighting is bad because I'm about to leave to like someone's house, my cousin's house, and yeah, so I'm about to leave my birds, and basically, so this is what I do when I leave my birds. Basically, you can see, they hang up. So if a cat might enter in, or like a type of predator might enter by accident, they can't reach them, and he's high up. And I turn the kitchen light on, so he'll be safe. Bye, my sweetie pies. Have a great time. Alright, bye. And bye-bye. As you guys can see, I'm feeding my birds right there. They're eating. By the way, their name is Alexa. The female light blue one, her name is Alexa. And the purplish blue one, his name is Alex. Alexa, cool name. Oof, they were hungry. Alright. So satisfying feeding my birds. So cute. Oof, they were hungry. Alright, bye. So this is my parakeets / budgies night routine. The reason my lips look red because I just ate something spicy. Bengali food be like. So yeah, here's their nighttime routine. So first, they're weird because they don't want to go around here. So they stay in there all day. First, I put their ladder in. But don't be scared. You want to see on my finger? Oh, that was pretty close to it, but no. Close it. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there. My fish are already sleeping. Oh, never mind. They're still awake, but it's a little dirty because they've slept here all night. And then take this. Basically, cover it up. And after that, turn off the lights. Then I walk and say goodnight. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe for more videos, and peace, love, and bye bye. And shout out to Michelle, Emily, Derek, Jalen, Yorkalyn, and who else? Madine, Muhammad. Shout out to Christopher. Shout out to my best friends because you guys make me happy every single day in school. But I'm missing you guys a lot now. So yeah, you guys are the best person. You guys make me happy every day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, especially my best friends. And peace, love, and bye bye.